Hi guys, this is Elaine from Blue Mind. Before I get started, please check out my subscribe button and hit it. Please try to get 1,000 before June 1st. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm gonna introduce you our brass spotlight for part 33 and which also can use for the AR111. When you connect to the lamp, you need use this clip to holding it tight. This is also brass, and you can see here the structure is a little different like others. These two rubbers and this is more helpful waterproof. This one is IP66. Normally it's IP65 for the spikes, and you just need to close it and put it tight. If you've seen my video before, you will know this screw is also made by ourselves. And for this wire we use for SPT1, which is past the UL. And speak of this, you may ask about why you not use SPT2. Okay, here's the little tips for you. SPT1 and SPT2 are both 18 gauge bought by the DWG, which is the America gauge. And the only thing different between them is the coating. SPT1 wire coating thickness is 0.03 and SPT2 is 0.045. So they carry the same, but SPT2 does cost a little bit more, so we choose SPT1. And it will have 1 meter here. It have 1 meter here. Okay, and last it will come out like this picture. I will make more valuable videos in the future. If you like me, please subscribe my channel. I need your support. And also you can find me on Facebook and LinkedIn. And if you want to buy this lamp, you can go to bluemindled.com. I will put the link in the description. So thank you for your time. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.